These are the elevators at the SpringHill Suites Marriott in Millcreek by the Millcreek Mall in Millcreek Township, Pennsylvania. These are ThyssenKrupp Oildraulics from 2007. I thought it left before the button didn't respond. Up to 4. These are from, I think, 2007. They have newer traditional though, which I thought came out in 2008. They're installed 2008, but part numbers done some of them. Thought they would have been Aurora. Oh, a little creaky. Here at 4. Buttons are getting kind of warm. Back down to 1. Can't really hear that. It's a weird call cancel button. Is that like, I think it's Aurora. Like the font's a bit weird, or maybe it's just my imagination. 88 home, ThyssenKrupp Oildraulic. It's a basic hotel elevator. It's a dim lit, more different lit. LED spotlighting. Certificate in the manager's office here back at 1. Both cars are now here. They're closing out to do that.